guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana, and in today's video I am going to show you how I create my everyday makeup look. It usually takes me no more than about 5 minutes, and I am going to be reviewing the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wands. This is my first time I have ever used them. It just arrived 2 days ago. I haven't even unpackaged them or used them myself yet, so I'm going to be doing that for the first time. I'm just excited to see what all the fuss is about these Beauty Light Wands and to see if they actually live up to the expectations. I am going to start by doing my makeup. First of all, I'm just putting on a blemish-free primer. I have to be honest, I don't really recommend this product. I don't really feel like it gets rid of any of my blemishes. It's supposed to be like, you know, a greeny color, so it's supposed to cancel out like any like redness, like any red little blemishes, and I just don't really think it does that. The only thing it does do is I feel like it creates a nice little base for my makeup. It makes my skin feel smooth. But apart from that, that's all that it does. My face did get a little bit sunburnt yesterday, so my nose and my forehead's quite red. Next thing I'm going to do is put on some foundation in the color Classic Ivory. I usually put a small little pump onto my hand. I get a little beauty sponge, rub it in. So it may feel like I haven't put a lot of foundation on, and that is because I haven't. I don't like wearing lots of foundation. I like it looking quite natural. I still like being able to see like my skin underneath my foundation. I don't like that like really heavy look where the skin looks absolutely flawless. I personally don't mind seeing a little bit of pimples and a little bit of roughness because, well, that's our skin, and I think that we should just embrace it and appreciate it. I actually learned this little trick with my concealer about a month or two ago. I actually watched a YouTube video. I can't actually remember whose YouTube video it was. I kind of just stumbled across it one day, and what she does is she puts on her concealer and leaves it for a few minutes, like maybe while she does her brows or does something else. Makes it set better. Like once you start like dabbing it in, it just makes it like thicker, and it really does work. So I used to just put my concealer on and like dab it in straight away, but now I leave it for a few minutes, then I dab it in, and it's just made such a difference. I am using this in the color Ivory. Okay, I know this looks absolutely ridiculous right now, and this is no way that any YouTuber or influencer puts on their concealer, but listen, this is just how I do it, and so that's just how I'm gonna roll. Like for example, like my makeup kit, oh, looks good. So this is the little bag, and all of my makeup literally fits in this one little bag. Just so you have an idea of what a basic bitch I am whenever it comes to makeup. So that's it. That's all the makeup that I own in this bag. I think like minus maybe a lip gloss or two. Whilst I'm waiting for this to kind of set a little bit, I'm going to do my brows. This is a Collection 2000 like tinted brow gel. I bought this, honestly guys, this is probably like 3 years old, which I know is disgusting, and you're supposed to change your makeup so much more than that, but I have not found one since then that I like. And again guys, like I said, I just don't really go makeup shopping. It is something that I am starting to get more into as I get a little bit older, but right now I still enjoy keeping it quite minimal. So okay, I think I'm pretty happy with how those brows are done. Now I am going to dab in my concealer. Guys, I'm sorry if you thought that this makeup look was all going to be created with Charlotte Tilbury makeup. Unfortunately, it is not. Here we go. That is the base done. That it looks pretty natural, and I like it. Apart from just putting a little bit of bronzer on my eyes, I just add a little bit of liquid eyeliner. So right now I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the color Blackest Black. I've never had to do this on camera before. It feels like intimidating. Like eyeliner's always the worst. So I kind of just start by applying it like under my lash line.
Hope you guys can see what I'm actually doing.
Actually follow eyelash line to create the flick. There we go. Just nice and natural. am going to apply some mascara. This is the Full and Soft Mascara by Maybelline. It's super natural and it's also just really good at like making my lashes look really full and really voluminous. So yeah, there we go. Look at the difference between this one and this one. I think it's honestly so good. By the way, I'm in no way claiming to be any kind of like makeup beauty expert right now doing this video. I am literally just doing this for a bit of fun, and if you guys can pick up any tips from it, that is great. I just thought that it would be quite nice to do a makeup tutorial that didn't involve like a million and one products. Like, I hate whenever you watch like YouTube videos and you see someone like applying makeup but they have like 30 different products and you're like, I don't have all those products. Like, the normal average girl does not have all of those makeup products, and they don't even have like the substitutes for it. So, and I don't think I've ever watched a makeup video where someone actually uses a reasonable amount of makeup products. Like, anytime I watch them, I always feel overwhelmed because I'm like, well, I don't have all those products. I don't even have substitutes for them. And I'm not a millionaire. I can't go buy them all because they're all bloody expensive. So there we go. That is the base, the eyebrows and the eyes done. I am gonna add some lips, but I'm actually gonna add those at the end. I like doing my lips at the end once everything else is finished off, so I can kind of gauge how much lippy I actually want to put on. So now I'm going to move on to what you've all been waiting for, the light ones. And Charlotte Tilbury's packaging, just so beautiful. I love it. I'm going to quickly talk you through what I actually got in this box because I feel like it was a pretty good deal. So I bought these 3 beauty light wands. They come in this beautiful little packaging. These 3 actually came as a kit, and they were actually on offer if you bought all 3 together. So it cost me £78 for the 3 of them. I also bought the new Pillow Talk Lip Secrets kit, because guys, like the beauty light wand, I am also so intrigued to see what all the fuss is about this Pillow Talk lipstick, because I just feel like anyone I follow on social media just seems to love it and use it. So I wanted to try it out for myself. So I'm gonna do another video where I review these products. So subscribe. I got some freebies. So I got this Super Radiance Resurfacing Facial. So it comes in this little pouch, so I reckon that'll obviously do me one go. Then I also got the Pillow Talk mascara. I should have used that in this video. Actually, maybe I'll use it whenever I'm using the lipsticks. So it's actually quite a decent size little tester. I'll probably get like quite a few little wears out of that. No me, I'll probably have it this time next year. A brightening youth glow, youth boosting color correction primer. Again, I should have used that today. Then I got this. This is so cute. I actually done a little reel on this on Instagram because it was just so adorable. It's a little lipstick, and it's just the dinkiest little lipstick I've ever seen in my life. I love the packaging. Is actually the color. I don't know. Maybe we will use that one to finish off this look. These are what we are going to be talking about. Quite a few people have said that they don't get an awful lot in it. They're disappointed by the amount that they get for the price that they pay. These are actually, this says only 12 mil. That's actually not a lot. So I'm intrigued to see how long these will actually last me. I can't obviously tell you that right now in this video because this is my first time using them, but maybe I'll do an updated video in a few months and let you know if I still have them. So guys, I have just had to Google how to use these because I want to make sure that I'm applying them on the right places on my face, and I've just found this sketch. So I'm going to follow the sketch, and that is how I am going to apply. So I think I'm going to start with the contour wand. I got this in a light medium because I've got fair skin. So as you can see, I haven't used it yet. This is my first time. I need to look at my sketch to see where I'm putting this. I mean, I have contoured before, but you know, I want to make sure I'm getting this right. Okay, so under the cheekbone, got some on the forehead. And then we've got some on the chin. I'm a bit confused. Do I use this to dab? No, I think I'm going to use my sponge. Here we go. That's actually quite nice. It blends very naturally, which I quite like. This is blending very nicely. So in this picture, she actually has some down her nose. I don't usually contour my nose. I feel like that's a bit scary, but do you know what, guys? I'm gonna give it a little go. There we go. I also feel like I probably didn't need nose contour right now because my nose is a bit burnt. There's a little bit on the end. Okay. I feel like that's just giving me an even bronzer looking nose that, like I said, I'm not sure whether I needed. But anyway, it's not offending me, so we're gonna go with it. The next thing I'm going to apply is some highlight. Here we go. Some here. I mean, guys, straight away, like, look at that glow. That is very nice. I like that. Got some down the nose, some on the chin, lips. Guys, even just on the lip, that is, oh, that's nice. Might actually, you know, go to town and put a wee bit in the eyes. Yeah, I'm enjoying that. I'm already very, very impressed with this one. Let's just rub that in. Guys, so far this one is my favorite. I just feel like it gives an overall really, really nice glow. I'm so excited. Okay, right. I think I've done a pretty good job at recreating this little diagram. Okay, we need to just pause a second because can we just appreciate how much further I've gone up on this side than this side? Like, why have I got blush up to here? Right, let's just see what happens. Cute. I like it. First impressions is good. I think that it's natural. I'm like, okay guys, I've definitely gone up a bit too far here, so just ignore this section. Okay guys, I really, really like this Pinkasm. I think that it's amazing. I am really pleased. I did not want to be disappointed. I don't feel like I have been disappointed. I am very impressed by this Spotlight wand. That is definitely my favorite. I really like how easy the contour wand is to apply. As someone who's not amazing at doing makeup and doesn't like spending a lot of time applying it, I just like how easy this was to apply. The same with the blush. And that little diagram's actually like super useful. And yeah, I just feel like overall it's given me quite like a sun-kissed, dewy, natural glow. And I love it. I will definitely be using these products every time I do my makeup, and they're something that I will probably keep investing in. I am intrigued to see how long they last me. As someone who doesn't wear makeup every single day, I reckon they'll probably last me a decent amount of time. Yeah, I think that's actually really cute. I like that colour. That is the finished look. So there we go. I think it's fair to say that I do believe that they kind of live up to their hype. I personally really enjoyed trying these out for the first time, and I really like how they look on my face, and I would definitely recommend you trying them out yourself. I am actually going to do another little tutorial where I try the Pillow Talk Lip Secret kit out. This is Obviously one of Charlotte Tilbury's best selling lipsticks is the Pillow Talk. So if you want to see this tutorial, make sure you subscribe, and that will be coming very soon. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.